everybody मेरे को कितने DMs आए कि ऑल इंडिया एक वन NID, why is this guy in IDC? I'm like, पूछ लेना, खुद ही पूछ लेना, आए गए तो पूछ लेना पॉडकास्ट में। सब मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन पूछे थे।
It's a like difficult question, you know, like IDC and ID. My God, it was days I haven't slept, like only deciding what to do.
Same thing, I'm sure it's the same thing. Everybody this thing, like I had NID SDM, मैंने भी छोड़ दिया, मैं बोला यार IIT
अच्छा, you also got SDM, right?
हाँ, I got NID SDM ना, तो मैंने भी छोड़ दिया, मैं बोला यार
awesome.
My net is back, I'll just join from my laptop. 1 second.
How many phones do you got, yaar? Too much of your faces. Okay, yeah, I got it.
No. This is from the laptop. Laptop is connected to Wi-Fi. Phone is to the hotspot. So for some reason, IT Wi-Fi fluctuate.
Ajay, tell me,
innovation chal raha hai,
connected the mic, you know, with your laptop, or like you are like using a streaming service differently?
This mic is with the laptop.
Okay.
And then when this went off, I went with the phone mic.
Okay, so like when you're like using you know, Google Meet, it recognizes the mic, or like it uses the inbuilt laptop mic?
So there's an option in the settings.
Okay, you got it.
यहाँ पे मैं change कर सकता हूँ audio input and audio output. So I change it
like
this.
Like Zoom.
Like Zoom. हाँ.
I see. That's good.
ठीक है, चलो. Let's start before wasting any more time.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Abhit, are you recording? Okay. ठीक है. So Susovan Gupta, thank you for this. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for giving your time. I know how busy you are. So
no, this one is a little bit not busy, but thank you so much for calling me also. It was a pleasure.
Hi, anytime. So NID के लिए NID पहले है ना, तो I thought all the people who scored in NID got into NID. I'll try to push them now, and IIT while I can do it a bit later because 23rd को है seat.
Okay.
So we'll talk about 3-4 things specifically. First thing is your own journey. That how did you start? What was your preparation strategy? How much time did you take, and all of that? What your background is. Then we'll move on to things like a strategy of attempting part A, part B, NID part A, part B, resources, study material, classes like VRDS, what helped, what did not, any tips or tricks that you used personally.
Right.
Then something related to the exam, attempting the paper. Then I'll move on to questions from these people. So I'm going to talk to you for 15-20 minutes max because my major priority is for these people to talk to you.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start with you first. Tell everybody your background. What have you done in your bachelor's, and why did you give seed in NID?
Good. So like my background is like like from class 11, 12, I got interested into painting. I have been painting a lot like after like before class 9 and before that. But on 11, 12, it was really serious for me. Like I really want to do something with painting. But as every Indian, you know what happens. Like you have to choose either your team or engineering. I thought too much, but I like ultimately lost the battle. And then choose engineering. Then thought let's choose civil because it has certain aspects where I can use my like drawing skills and all. So civil was good, but it was not helping me anyway, to expressing my creativity at all. Like I haven't made any good friends in my college that I made in VRDS in 6 months. Like, oh my God! Like I was dying to meet you guys. I have never felt meeting my college friends. So that is how it started, and eventually on the second year, I got to know about NID and see all these. I was not even aware of all these before. But that was my last year to apply for bachelor's, and that was not possible also because the time has crossed. So I opted for master. That was very simple of a choice to make for me because otherwise I would have to use the yellow cap on my head and come back home frustrated. So that thing happened. I guess the issue are like.
It's okay. So continue. My Wi-Fi will keep going. I will keep talking to you from the phone if that happens.
So that happened. Then the preparation was like I gave seed and NID one time before also, like in 2020. That was when I was doing an internship in like from my college. So that the score became good, like I got 111 rank in seat, and I thought, how come I get IIT in this rank? It's like too much to get, like, apply for IIT also. So I didn't apply it, I didn't apply to any IITs, and then the opportunity, was gone. And the most interesting part for me in case of NID was I got 39th, not so 36th rank in photography design. Still, I didn't get it. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But I was like, if 38 is not enough, then how? How much they want? I got so demotivated. So I promised myself, ki, okay, they pick 19 people. Okay, let me get ranked within 19. That was how I promised myself. I got the job. I left it because you have to, like, anybody coming to design background, which is like this challenging of a exam, has to have a like kind of zeal that otherwise your life is gone. Like there is one thing in life, you have to do it. That much you have to get it. Like a lot of people give it just in order to give it, but once you have that zeal, now you start looking at the world in a different way. You find opportunity in every corner. That's how you get it. Like when people ask me like how you are observant or like how you're thinking like that, I have been doing all this for years. I don't know how I do it. I do it. That's how you build a reflex around.
Okay.
So that is how. Yeah, so then I got like attached to like BRDS. I thought let's take a chance. Like if I'm giving all this for my career, why not taking one chance with BRDS also? Then the online thing came. It was not that good also. I won't tell that it was super amazing. The main thing that I got from BRDS is you guys. It changed everything. Like literally speaking, the over top view thing, from teacher was nothing in comparison to the friends that I got.
I know.
Yeah. So we like prepared together, we gave exams together. That's how we prepared. It was very serious. Then the rest is, in front of you. Baki, like the portfolio thing, and I can, discuss later. But this is a background basically how you get there.
So the specific question here would be, how much time did you prepare for?
I started from September 28th. Like 2020 ka September 28th, I started preparing.
So around 3 months, that's it. 3 months.
Around 3, I can. Yeah.
So after that, after you joined BRDS, before BRDS, did anybody suggest to BRDS or did you join it on your own?
Basically, I have taken, like what? Study material from them before, but it won't, like, I was not I was doing internship, so I wasn't having any time to study them. So I thought if I have taken, like study material from them, let's take a coaching also.
Acha, so you do study material first. Acha, okay.
Yes. I have a friend, like I have a friend like he's working in TCS. He's a, UX UI designer. So he also told me like everybody, in an ID comes from BRDS. I don't know why they. So I said, okay, let's try what happened.
But I don't think coaching classes helped us that much. I think the peer-to-peer learning helped us more.
Exactly.
The coaching classes
they forced us. They pushes you, yeah. Nobody else.
And NID and seed के बीच में, what was your more focus? मतलब focus पढ़ने के time पे, did you focus more on seed?
That was a very interesting part of my whole preparation. That is also like I would thank one of my friends for that. Like I was preparing and she said like, you're not creative enough. You are too much of an engineer. I thought, okay, let me be this until the seed is complete, and then let's focus on an idea and be creative. Like what I was thinking, like in like this kind of questions, asked like you're given a safety pin, what unconventional use you can make. Some guy can tell that I can use it as a earring. Or like whatever. I thought, how come this possible? Yeah, like you have to think too much, like out of the box. In case of an ID, but in case of seed, the question pattern or the kind of mentality they want to get is like more focused, more process oriented. How you can do it? Is it possible or not? Kind of. So for seed, I was aware like how I have to think, how I have to present myself. how conscious I have to be about my creativity, how conscious I have to be about my like like process oriented or like the materialistic industrial thing. And the moment seed completed, I changed everything. Like now I'm in a position that I can think anything. You give me one pen, I can make a spaceship out of it. Like I have to be that kind of changed a person. Like what creative you, how much creative you can be. No matter is it possible or not. I forced myself to think like it is not possible to make, but you still think. Yeah. So that is a different approach in case of seed and NID.
So I agree. Seeds were technical and it's a little more restrictive. And NID is a little more, gives someone more freedom.
Open-ended, right?
Gives a little more space.
Yes, yes.
That I agree. So if I have to ask you, what were the two biggest differences in preparation? Preparation, part A, part B included for seed and NID. Two differences.
The biggest difference was from 2020 and 2021 question pattern that came is like seed was still achievable in time in the time frame, because seed में 5 questions you can, if you get the practice, you get 5 questions done. That is not a problem. But in case of NID, the unpredictability of the question pattern and how much they want you to draw, it's very difficult to even finish.
Correct.
The main challenge for me was to decide how much I would like to go into sketching. Okay? Like because in case of seed, in case of both obviously seed and NID, every question has their own intention, what they want to know from you. So it is a bit doable in case of seed. कि तुम जल्दी करो खत्म हो जाएगा. But NID, you don't know. Like they asked a question like make a device for someone who can talk to their peers or like elderly, whatever. Then where should I focus? Like I have to get good at sketching. I have to have creative idea. I have to finish it. If possible, then color it also. So that was very difficult to finish.
Yeah. So time was a big constraint.
Yeah, time was a big decision maker.
One more very interesting question I get asked, but I also asked was that what is the most difficult part? Seed and NID included. For example, for me, the most difficult part was part A, seed, things like surface counting, shape counting. बहुत difficult था मेरे लिए वो learn करना. Even sketching, character sketching or human anatomy, वो मेरे लिए बहुत difficult था. So what was the one or two most difficult things for you in the entire process?
It's very difficult to answer because like for me, the most difficult part was restricting my artistic personality. Once you're an artist, if your hand is a bit off, you would feel sad. Like how the hell I can make the hand not like a hand? Make it good. Do it good. If it is looking like a hand, leave it. That was the most difficult part for me. Shama helped me that. Like I was showing her like my drawing. Sorry, she was showing me the drawing. I said, "Yo, Shama, your hand is a bit off like this." Okay, and so what she did on the video, suddenly erased it, rubbed it, erased it, and fatafat made the hand. I said, "Wow, yeah." It will take a long time to make the hand.
Shama was very talented.
That point I changed everything. Like abhi bas artistic wala cheez hatao. I'm not an artist now. That was difficult.
Where is Shama right now? She is in NID?
Triple IT.
Acha, triple IT. Yeah. Okay. Acha, then one more thing I wanted to ask is that I have seen your paintings. I've seen your work before that in VRDS also. Your drawings is to scare us like anything. So part B I think was decent enough. But what was the strategy for part A? How did you study for part A?
Okay, so the part A for me it was very interesting because I also love that. Like being an engineer, the mathematics, how things work, these things trigger me. So in my free time, like if I show you the YouTube history now, you will see a lot of science videos, like how this principle is working, how this fractal thing is working, how this crystallization is happening. I love this thing too much science. So the part A in case of seed was mostly visual. They don't want kind of just a second. Kind of like the part A is kind of visual, and they want your basic observation skill. And just a second. Okay. Observation skill, how you can imagine a product like object, like there was a question in seed you can remember, the shadow you have to like see the shadow.
Correct.
So those questions doesn't require so much of a like knowledge, but like how you can see things. So that helped me, watching the animated video. Like in case of animation, they're showing the camera view from these and these things. So I was trying to imagine things. That helped me in case of part A, in case of seed. And in case of NID, it was purely general knowledge. You know that. Everybody knows that. In case of NID, like they really care about the time, what's happening in this, India right now, outside India. So they don't questions directly, like they don't ask direct questions. But they're oriented. If you can go deep into a question, you can understand, okay, this is how that question is related to the current time.
Correct. That is also correct. Okay, NID when I gave the paper also, the first part was पूरा GK. मतलब first page was 3-4 questions GK. Then last maybe 3-4 questions GK. ना जाना maths नहीं कुछ नहीं. And seed, the part A was like, भाई when I started part B, I was not sure part A में क्या attempt किया है. I did not know. I didn't even know.
In case of, I got good marks in part A.
So coming to that, what was your part A score and part B score in seed?
Part A score was around 42 something.
Same. 41.
Okay. 41.
Part B में I know. Zoom.
उतना भी नहीं, तेरा कितना है पार्ट बी में? मेरा तो पार्ट बी में 41. I got 55 kind of number.
भाई 50 के ऊपर बहुत difficult है पार्ट बी.
Right. And that also I wasn't able to finish the last drawing to my like entirely. That there was a basin in the school where that one I wasn't able to finish the talk completely.
So what was your overall?
A lot of things happens in the exam hall, yaar. You study too much, and then in the exam hall things that like change. What
was your overall score?
Overall was very less, like 52, 52, yeah.
52 is not less, but I get it.
Yeah,
because see, the problem was that part B का अभी ना last 2 साल से pattern बन गया. They have a set pattern, visual sensitivity, form sensitivity. But 1 year back, before our 2020 के पहले, the pattern was random. कुछ भी पूछते थे. There was no definite question or stream specific था. So now I think seed has become a little more easier because you know the pattern.
And that also when I prepared, I thought 2020 was the first time they changed the pattern. So I have given the exam. And then I thought, okay, they changed for once. What if they change back to the old pattern? Let me practice in the old pattern. So the old pattern is really difficult. So I practiced the old pattern. Like on the end of December, I get to know, okay, like this year also they are using the same pattern. Okay, what we are doing then till like, why we are using the old pattern? Then I changed to the current pattern.
Yeah, because I also remember December, I also gave the 2020 exam, essay. So तभी मेरे को लगा था कि ऐसे ही pattern change किया. Then this year the same pattern came. Now everybody knows that the pattern is going to be same.
Same, right.
But now one more question I get asked is, since we spoke about GK in NID, how did you prepare for GK and from where? Because GK is very vast.
Yeah.
So GK strategy.
GK is like you use like WhatsApp. Everyone use, so the latest news get passed, mainly WhatsApp. Just dig a bit deeper into it. Like we had a question in NID, like who designed the Parliament building.
Edward Lutyens.
Right. So that question came because in 2021 or 2020, I don't remember, the Vista project, get passed. So
Right.
that is how they are related. So if you have heard something about Vista project or anywhere, anything, little bit of this thing, just go a bit deeper. What's happening? So you might ask, okay, like there is a new parliament building is being built. So who made the old
Old Parliament building.
that kind of interest, simple interest. Okay, UNESCO like decided to do something. Okay, how they made the poster, what was the logo, what was the line for them. Okay, the problem with this thing is like how much you can remember, how much. It's too much of a thing to study. So just go with the flow, read Manorama book, yearbook, just there are a lot of things that you need to learn. Just flip through it. If something grabs your attention, just go a bit deeper, because how much you can study, it will never going to get finished. So don't panic for GK. It has a good balance. Even if you don't get GK correct, you have a chance to get through it. So GK is bonus.
सबका process अलग होता है.
हाँ?
For me it was that सबका process बहुत अलग था. For me it was like I can't read. मेरे को वो visual चाहिए, but I need something movement. I need a video कैसा something.
Yeah.
So I used to go on YouTube and type top 10 this, top 10 that, top 50 this, top 50 that. तो photos आते थे, visual देख के.
Right. But what you have to be observant enough to get the topic, what you're going to search. मैंने क्या किया था? I used a lot of app, that what was that? Like the news InShot app and all.
InShot.
Yeah, just in a day you just open it. If it doesn't catch your eye, don't go into it. You won't remember. If something catches your eye, just go a bit deeper. Like in case of Vista project, I've got really deep. How we're going to get the architecture done? How many times? Like how much of the road is going to get used? I got interested. That is why I got it. Like this thing. So yeah, that is the simple approach of GK. Don't get it too serious. हो जाता है.
Achha, last two questions from my side. One is that for people who are very basic beginner level at drawing, for like me, VRDS, you've seen me, my drawing was very basic.
Your drawing was
very
good, and the best part of you developed super quickly.
That I know. Because starting में my sketches were like, भाई, I नहीं होने वाला.
क्यों करवा रहे हो?
मैं मम्मी को बोला था मत बोला एग्जाम देने का यार, नहीं होगा ये, क्योंकि बहुत डिफिकल्ट था स्टार्टिंग में जब रेंडरिंग के क्लासेस होते थे, एंड आई यूज्ड टू सी योर ड्राइंग, आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक सबका क्या ड्राइंग था, यू उत्कर्ष एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस पीपल, आई एम लाइक
Yeah.
क्या स्केचिंग
And there was Chaitanya to break our confidence.
Chaitanya, oh भाई, I'll get Chaitanya next on the podcast 100%. I'll ask him to come. I had to go out him, na. I'll ask him. So the question is that people were starting out. What would your advice be for them? कि sketching practice कैसे करते हैं? And sketching, overall sketching में, how do you practice and how do you improve your line quality, your line drawing from the basis of the evaluation criteria?
Okay.
What is important, what is not, and what was the strategy in seed? So one small question I keep getting asked is that क्या आप पहले फर्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करते हो, पूरा अटेम्प्ट करते हो, फिर आगे जाते हो, या ऊपर से फॉर्म बनाते हो, लाइट बनाते हो सबका, फिर एक एक करके डार्क बनाते हो? So everybody is a process, right?
Yeah.
What was yours, and how should people practice sketching?
The first thing in case of sketching or drawing is that eventually you get your own style. Like style doesn't mean like your like the artist wala style. It's like how you approach it. Some student I have seen, like they directly use pen and draw. They don't use construction line art. Some people use it, so it is their own way of comforting themselves. Like it happens in case of exam. Now when you're starting something, you need to feel confident about it. Like, okay, I'm going good, I can make it. But in the first place, you mess up something, you feel like, oh my god, how can I get the rest of it? So that is what, when you are practicing things, you get to know your own way of comforting yourself. कि मैं कैसे start करूँगा, तो it will be achievable. That brings us to a topic like how I can practice properly. क्योंकि जब तुम practice करते हो properly, proper practice, ठीक है, कि कौन सा स्टेप
Can you elaborate a little more on that?
yeah I'm going to जैसे कि the main thing about drawing anything is perspective. Okay, you see things in perspective, you feel things in perspective. What happened when I'm sitting here, I'm talking to you, and some student have the power always, like already, like they can draw the whole room from top. They have the power. So how is that? That is how you study object. Okay, so like suppose there's a mic, the mouse, you draw it. Just draw it. You just try to feel, okay, this line is going inside. In the first, you cannot do that. It feels very hard. Like, oh my God, what's happening? So you just try or like drawing the objects in front of you. Not one time, not two times, many times. Then only you can understand, okay, so that is how the thing is going. Apart from the basic principles like perspective में 1 point 2 point क्या हो रहा है, how I can make ellipse in perspective, okay. So that kind of thing you have to get. वो तो होता है knowledge के लिए, और उसको apply कैसे करें? The construction line. If I have to like draw this mouse, I won't start just by the curves. That is a foolish approach, like for the starters, because
Right.
oh my God, then how can I get the perspective right? Because it's oval. How can I get the perspective? So you have to make the construction line. There are videos on YouTube you can watch. Drawing using construction line. That is one thing. The other thing is like when you are using a scene, like drawing a scene. Okay, that then also the question of perspective is coming. Like who is nearer, who is far, how far it is, like how I can show the distance. These are basic things. Just you have to practice a bit. But for the tough, kind of like it's very tough for me. It's very tough for me. It's tough for everyone in the first place. So you're not alone that you're finding it tough, but you're on the right track. Okay. So the main thing you have to focus is like practice properly. Practice मतलब ये नहीं कि बार-बार कर रहे. Correct practice. अगर perspective सीख रहे तो तुमको पता नहीं मेरे I was having a like big block of paper. वो मेरा नौकरी जहाँ पे कर रहा था उधर से लेकर आया था. वो फोल्ड करके मेरे टेबल के ऊपर रख दिया था. And I used to draw boxes day in day out. मेरे को नहीं पता boxes कैसे बनाते हैं. पता है, but बनाया जाता है. I just do draw a box, like make a fillet in the corner, feel the box. Once you are expert in making box, you can become expert in drawing anything. तो proper
everything boils down to basic shapes.
प्रॉपर करो. अगर तुमको एक ग्लास बनाना है तो पहले सिलेंडर बनाना सीखो. पहले सिलेंडर बनाओ, then only go with the approach of making a glass. ठीक है. What happens to us is like, okay, I can draw, okay, let's skip those parts. So practice karo, don't do that. Understand, when like I have 4 or 5 sketchbooks, okay, every sketchbook is like, when I look at this, I can understand, okay, that was the purpose for that drawing. I have drawn one drawing that some ant view, okay, so like the ant is on a button of a shirt and someone is ironing. So I can understand the intent of the drawing. Yeah, भाई मैं इसीलिए बनाया था. तो that is how you do proper practice. वो फालतू में बस बनाया जा रहा वो नहीं.
And talking about references.
Huh?
So मैं daily task references.
Reference. Yeah.
So I give these people daily tasks. I used to. So first I started with giving them sketches. Sketches से देख के बनाओ. Then images से. Then I started giving them things like kitchen में जाके 10 objects लो, हाथ में पकड़ो, photo खींचो, फिर बनाओ, फिर live बनाओ. So in terms of references, how would you practice? Do you always practice live drawings or do you practice from photos?
Like one live drawing equals like 20 references. I can tell you. Shreya yaad hai, I said Shreya ki in your entire life, just once and for all, you just go out and draw a scene. You can understand how much you can learn from just one drawing. गंदा drawing लेके आओ भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, कोई नहीं पूछने वाला. But बाहर जाओ और ट्राई करो. एक बनाओ दिन में चलेगा. अच्छा हफ्ते में एक
Live
बनाओ.
drawing.
हाँ?
Live drawing.
Exactly, Tanish. Things change when you see things from because when you're presenting in 2D already, it's very easy to trace.
Yeah.
Perspective दिमाग खराब हो जाता है मतलब सामने बैठ के बनाने में. लाइफ ड्राइंग इज मस्ट। तुम क्या करोगे ना, हर वक्त पॉसिबल नहीं होता ना हर चीज मिलना, जरूरत भी नहीं है। अगर जो मिल नहीं रहा है उसको छोड़ दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बस सामने जो है बनाते जाओ। एक सीजर बनाओ ना पर्सपेक्टिव में, दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा। एक बनाने में तुम्हारा पूरा हालत टाइट हो जाएगा, एक बनाने में बस। सच में मेरे को याद आता है ना चीजें।
मेरे को भी याद है लाइव ड्राइंग वाले सेशन, गार्डन में लेके जाके सिंपल सा रास्ता, वैनिशिंग पॉइंट वाले सब कॉन्सेप्ट्स भूल जाते थे। हॉराइजन लाइन किधर है, वैनिशिंग पॉइंट्स किधर है, कुछ नहीं समझ में आता था।
Someone is commenting, क्यों डरा रहे हो? अरे डर तो लगेगा ना, तभी तो तुमको मजा आएगा। इजी हो जाएगा थोड़ी मजा आएगा। Yeah, in case of the fear na, I'm telling you, the fear is good sometimes, you know, because what happen in case of interviews, they make you very comfortable and they make you blub, you know.
You also face the same thing, ना? Same thing happened with me. ऐसा chill environment में बोला ये लोग को टेंशन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब इतना सीरियस नहीं लग रहा है। रियलाइज कि वो जानबूझ के क्रिएट किया है।
Yes, तो तुम उस टेंशन फ्री वाले सिचुएशन में बग दोगे। तो थोड़ा स्केर्ड रहना भी अच्छा है, you know?
IIT बॉम्बे जिसका इंटरव्यू हुआ है ना, एवरीबॉडी वाज लाइक हो गया मेरा तो कंफर्म, मेरे को मिल गया। एवरीबॉडी वाज सो कॉन्फिडेंट, आई वाज आल्सो सो कॉन्फिडेंट। रिजल्ट आया, हम लाइक अच्छा, मतलब वो दोस्त नहीं थे, वो दोस्ती नहीं थी।
एकदम उसको पता चल जाता है कहीं से भी, तो इट्स ऑल राइट। ब्रिंग थॉट इनटू योर वर्ड्स, क्या यूज करें। तो थोड़ा डर सही है, मजा तभी आता है।
That is also there. अच्छा, one last thing from my side is that from I think 3 months जब से ये चल रहा है, since I've been made this group, I have doing this YouTube videos. Most of the questions are not preparation or drawing or part related. They are all motivation related. कि what is the drive के हर दिन सुबह उठ के प्रैक्टिस करना है। ठीक है, गणेश ने बोल दिया कि लाइन ड्राइंग करनी है, बॉक्सेस बनाने, you have to do all of these things. ठीक है, but what is the motivation and drive to get up every day and practice? Because one day the motivation dies and you feel कि यार आज मन नहीं करना, छोड़ो यार। And relating this question to almost 1 month to go, what would be the next 1 month strategy for all these people? What should they do? How should they keep themselves motivated?
So in life now, what is the most difficult is to get self-motivated, like every people want some other people to give motivation to them. So I can tell you one thing, imagine one thing everyone is good at. किसी को कुछ आता है। मेरे को अभी भी याद, हर जिंदगी में मेरे को जितना लोग मिले ना, मेरे को याद रहता है कि इसने ये बोला था, that was very good. I have a school friend, मैं तब क्लास 6-7 में कुछ पढ़ता था, तो I was drawing with charcoal and all, and he said कि यार you got your dream in front of you, like some people use their lifetime to find their passion, you got it, why don't you try it out? He's a doctor now, that's another yeah, so like every day I remind, मैं नदी के पास जाता था on the way, cycle में जाता था, and I was thinking कि one fine day I will wake up and I'll get to do the thing that I love. अब किसी को दिक्कत नहीं आए ना जिंदगी में, तो ये समझना डिफिकल्ट होता है। तुमको जब डर आएगा ना कि अगर ये नहीं किया तो मेरे ऊपर हेलमेट रहेगा,
पैनिक मोड।
हाँ, पैनिक मोड कि यार करना कुछ है अच्छा मेरे को हर दिन, ऐसे नहीं जी पाऊंगा, कुछ करना है। ठीक है, तो मैं एग्जाम के लिए एकदम, मतलब मेरा फोकस है सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन पे, टू एंजॉय द प्रोसेस, कैसे कैसी चीजें होता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है, वो इज पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ। तो उधर फ्रेंड्स, you find friends, you can share that. So this is a group of like 70 people here is already, so it's a good number. You can talk to each other. That is a good thing to share. And they also share passion. क्या होता है ना, we are living in our world. हम खुद ही सोच रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं, खुद ही डिफिकल्टीज में आ रहे हैं, and we're like ourselves trying to get out of the situation. But जब तुम कहीं बंगाली होके इडली डोसा ट्राई करते हो ना, तब लगता है अरे यहाँ पर भी टेस्टी चीजें मिलता है। तो जब दोस्त लोग से मिलता है ना वो वर्ड कि यार यू नो लाइक आई वाज इन दैट प्लेस एंड दैट आई थॉट दिस एंड दिस, दैट मोटिवेट्स अस तो गेट सम गुड फ्रेंड, ठीक है, जिसके
दैट आई आल्सो अग्री यार।
एकदम
जब ऑनलाइन चला था ना आईआईटी में, आई वाज लाइक कि क्या ये, द मोमेंट आई शट माय लैपटॉप, उफ,
या
you're out of the zone. You're at
एकदम
home, isolated, doing whatever you want. And the moment I came here, मैं 3 दिन के लिए आया, बट इतने लोगों को मिला कैंपस में, इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इतनी मतलब माइंड ब्लोइंग बातें, हम
वाइब्रेशन इन द एनवायरनमेंट,
वाइब्रेशन।
that is I believe you know, मेरा रूम देखोगे तो तुमको गंदा भी लग सकता है बट इट इज अ वाइब्रेशन फॉर मी, हर वक्त हर तरफ चीज है, इधर थर्मोकॉल है, इधर एक मॉडल है बना हुआ मेरा। I also asked the same question to sir ki sir you know like how I can make my room to like inspire me, so he said you know you use your own model, try thoda ye karo wo karo so that whenever you are entering the room you feel inspired. So people do a lot of crazy things to make themselves inspired. मेरा एक simple फंडा है भाई, मेरे को जब डिमोटिवेशन आता है ना, मैं जाता हूँ कुछ कुछ स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट खरीद के लाता हूँ, पता नहीं कैसे मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिल जाता है यार। कोई डायरी हो गया, कोई स्केच बुक हो गया, या फिर कोई पेंसिल हो गया नया, बिकॉज इन दैट आई फाइंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज कि अरे कुछ कर सकते हैं, इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू डू समथिंग। होता है यार डिमोटिवेशन होता है, लेकिन वो मैं करता हूँ, स्टेशनरीज कलेक्ट करता हूँ। अरे मैम है आईआईटी बॉम्बे में, उसके पास जो कलेक्शन है ना स्टेशनरीज का, अरे मेरे को बुरा लग गया, कुछ भी दिखा देता है। डू यू हैव सीन दिस, आई बॉट दिस फ्रॉम जापान, यू नो इट हैज अ स्लाइस subtle detail. I said, oh ma'am, you got it from Japan. That kind of motivation you get from everywhere, मतलब हर जगह मिलता है, तुमको ढूंढना रहता है।
अरे वो तो है, अच्छा है। अब मैंने भी ये चीज नोट किया है, and I'm trying to push it to these people also. Things like I could have easily done just YouTube videos, YouTube पे डाल दिया, देखो अपना करो अपने हिसाब से।
हाँ।
मैंने ग्रुप इसके लिए बनाया बिकॉज लाइक वी मेट BIDS में, अपना वाइब मैच हुआ,
हाँ रे।
we enjoyed the process, you know how I was in classes, full time pass, full time, but I realized that being together, talking to each other, making friends helps you. That's why this Telegram group, I thought 200-300 maximum होंगे बहुत है, अभी 1000 टच होने हैं। So now I realize the power of connecting people. Now people have made their own personal groups. They have their personal meetings. Discord पे चल रहा है।
Exactly.
So that is one thing I felt helps. Another thing, the room thing. I set up my own workstation here. मेरा मन करता है उठ के आप आके काम करने का रोज। उठो भाई, भागो कॉलेज जल्दी जाना है, वहाँ बैठना है, काम करना है।
बैठना है बस।
I told these people also.
Yeah.
Make your own wall, like an ideation wall. Like कभी motivation नहीं होगा ना, तो अपना वॉल देखोगे ना, full of sketches.
Simple.
20-30 A3 sheet.
Tear pages from your sketchbook and stick it on the wall. कुछ नहीं करना है, इतना दिमाग नहीं लगाना है। Favorite drawings को फाड़ो, लगाओ दीवार पे।
हाँ, हाँ।
वो सब करना बनता है रे।
हाँ, वो करना बनता है, मजा आता है खुद की ड्राइंग्स, खुद का काम देख के।
हाँ,
खुद का काम लगा है पीछे।
हाँ, exactly वही। When you feel good works of yours, you feel like yeah, I can do that. It's in my hand.
That is that. ठीक है, I think I took too much time. I want these people to talk to you.